Hello dear students, welcome to my online class on behalf of Governor Boys High School. So dear students, this is Biplov, this is Shaharja Biplov, assistant teacher English, Governor Boys High School, Gaivanda. Dear student, today, first of all I would like to thank our Almighty God as He has kept all of us well, even in the coronavirus pandemic situations, and so we all should give thanks from the core of our heart. Dear students, today I am going to discuss a scene passage from your textbook of class 7. So especially the students of class 7 are welcome to my today's class. So dear students, let's start our today's class. Okay, follow the picture here. You are observing a very wonderful and charming picture, and you know this is the picture of full moon. This is the picture of moonlit night, very wonderful picture. So from this picture you have already got an idea that we are going to discuss today regarding the we are going to discuss a passage about full moon or under the full moon. So our today's topic is under the full moon, Unit 6, Lesson 8. Dear students, I would like to request you to keep a notebook and pen with you so that you can answer the questions I will show you. So, if we go through the text, what will be our learning outcome? What will be our learning? So, before studying reading the text, we should know which outcome we will be able to earn from here. Follow this. If we go through the text, we will be able to, that means by the end of the lesson, the students will be able to read and understand text, talk about people, place and event, write a short description, tell the meaning of some keywords from the inference. So dear students, first of all, before going through the text, we should have learned the word meaning of some new words or keywords. If we don't know the meaning of the words, it will be difficult on the part of us to understand the text easily. So, before starting reading the text, we must learn some meaning of the new words or keywords. So, what are the words? First of all, we have a word that is delicious. You have to guess the meaning of the word first. You are watching food, the food is looking very delicious. So, the similar meaning of the word may be appetizing and yummy. The food may be appetizing and yummy. The similar word of delicious is appetizing and yummy. So, we can make a sentence with this. The food is very delicious. Next, what may be the next word? Excited. Excited meaning you have to guess or imagine first. And you are watching a picture, the minor girl is very excited. That means she is very emotional. So, the similar word may be thrilled and delighted. You should make a sentence with this. I am giving you one. you will try your level best to make 2 or 3 or 4 and more. Relaxed. The next word is relaxed. Meaning, what is the meaning of the word relaxed? You are watching. That means they are in a very relaxed mood. Calm, quiet, sit back. Try to make a sentence with this. I am giving you one, you will try to make more sentences from the by the word. He is eating with relaxed mood. He is eating with relaxed mood. Next word. Sprint. Sprint meaning you are watching a picture. That means they are running quickly, swiftly. So the similar meaning, run, race. Gathering. The meaning of the word is to get together, meeting, convention. You are watching a family gathering here, a picture of a family gathering here. A family gathering was going on under the full moon. You will try to make more sentences. Dear students, now let's try to go through the text. You have also textbook, but you are watching clearly, most probably, so you do not need to follow this. Read with me. Okay, read with me. I am helping you to read out the passage. It was Zishan's grandparents' house in the village. The night sky was clear. The full moon was shining brightly. All the family members had a delicious supper and sat in the yard. Zishan's cousins, Jahid and Shima, were very excited. They are the same age. They were also studying at a village school. Their grandparents gladly joined them. They were sitting on a bamboo mat. Everybody felt relaxed. They were talking, laughing and joking. The children's voices were the loudest. Jahid described how he played for his school in the Upazila Inter-School Tournament. What sports do you take part in, Zishan? Asked Jahid. Zishan could not answer. There was no playground in his school and around his house. Shima also told them how she won the first prize for 100-meter sprint in her school annual sports. She sang a beautiful Bhavaya. Everybody clapped their hands in delight. Julie's aunt, Mrs. Jahanara Khan, told some funny jokes that made them laugh their head off. The family gathering went on far into the night. So guys, now we will try to answer some multiple choice questions. You will be given after reading the text. That means after reading the text you will be given some multiple choice questions and you have to answer that. So let's see the multiple choice questions. Now choose the correct answer. What is the synonym of the word shine? You are watching the word in red color. You have to say the meaning. That means which word bears the similar meaning of the word shine, the synonym of the word. You have to gauge, but I am giving you the answer. Shine means glitter. So this is the right answer. This is the similar word and synonym you can say. And next one, what is the meaning of the word delicious? What is the meaning of the word delicious. You have to identify the right answer. Try to guess. Of course, I am giving you the right answer. That is tasty. Delicious means tasty. So this is the right answer. The word full means, what is the meaning of the word full? Empty, filled, incomplete and vacant. You have to say. Follow this. Filled is the right meaning of full. What did the family members do before sitting in the dark? They had delicious breakfast. They had delicious supper. They had delicious refreshment. They had delicious lunch. Follow this. In this sentence, there are two had. They had delicious supper. This one is right. That means they had delicious supper. You should not feel any confusion seeing the heads here. Let us go to the next question. Which one of the following word has similar meaning of relaxed? You have to identify or find out the right word. Try to identify. The similar word of relaxed is tranquil. Now go to the next question. What is the synonym of excited? Delighted. What is the verb form of the word brightly? The verb form of the word brightly is brighten. What is the opposite meaning of the word refuse? What is the opposite? Now we have to say the antonym of the word. The antonym of the word is accept. Now question number 9. Which one of the following words has the similar meaning of gather? Get together. Now the last question is, which one of the following words has a similar meaning of love? Which one is the antonym, a synonym of love? Chakol. So students, we have already finished our multiple choice questions, and you know very well you will be given multiple choice questions from on text, and you have to answer WH question from another passage. So we may discuss another passage in another day. So today I am ending here. I hope all of you will be well. Thank you very much. Thank you all.